Friends, how are you? Hope you all are fine. So, welcome to this new session. So, in this session, we will start the C programming. So, first of all, I will explain it's like a uh, introduction part. It's like generally. So, why C programming? Okay, why C programming and what is the programming? And generally, why we generally learn this programming language? Okay, what is benefit for us? So, all these things we are just going to discuss today. Right? So from next class onwards, so then we will just go inside to this subject. Okay. So now, so let's start the topic. Anybody who can just tell me, anybody who can just tell me what is the programming language? Because in this class we are just going to learn what programming language. Because C programming is what programming language. So those who are just beginners, so I think those who already in computer science part means like in 12th class they are just taking the computer science, so no problem. So for them it is not problem. But those who just taken the biology, so it means it will be very difficult to understand the programming language, right? But in this session only, so you will easily get the point. Whatever things I will just explain, you will easily grasp it. Right? Now, just tell me why we generally learn this language? Anybody who can just tell me, because this is the video, so just pause it and just write the answer on your notebook. Just write whatever just you are thinking, just write it. Okay. So my first question: what is the programming language? First question. And generally, why we are learning this programming language? Okay, what is the benefit of our programming language? So all these things. So let's start. First of all, first of all, those who just written on their note copy, so please check your answer. Please check your answer. First of all, the programming language. Generally, generally, we are learning the programming language because of what? Because of what? Because to communicate with the machine only. Because of what? To communicate with whom? To machine only. We have to communicate with whom? The machine only. Who is the machine? Who is the machine? For help of whom we are just watching this video. That one is the one of the machine. Yes or no? So you are using the mobile phone. That is the one of the machine. You are using the laptop. That is the one of the machine. You are using the desktop. Okay, that is the one type of the machine. So it means so what? So generally, we want to communicate with the hardware. We have to communicate with the system. So that is nothing but the machine only, right? So here only, so if you want to communicate with them, so it means we have to learn one language. So then generally, so in that language, so there is a one language is called the C language. For example, we human having more means many languages. For example, if I will just visit to Odisha, so then I usually use what? The Odia language. Generally, if I will visit anywhere, means like Andhra Pradesh. Okay, so it means what? It means what? Generally, I will use what? Telugu. If I will just visit that Bangalore, so generally I will use what? The Karnataka language. Okay, so it means what? So according to that means like place, so there is a what? One language is there. So we have to learn that language so that we will comfortable in that situation. Right? So similarly, so in machine part, in this part, so we have to learn what many languages are there. So in that language, so the first language is like C programming language. So where today I'm just going to extend this part. All right. So now the first question is what? The language, programming language. So now you understand what is the programming language. Okay. It means what? To communicate with whom? To communicate with the machine only. Now, next question. So whenever just we learn this programming language, so think that we already learned this part. Means already we know. Means your aim is completed, right? Your aim is completed. What is your aim? So your aim is to learn this C program, and you already learn these things, and you know each and everything. But after learning all these things, so how to implement these things? How to implement these things? It means what? It means what? You will just write the program, or else you will write some of the code. Okay, we will write some of the code. Okay, so that code is nothing but what? So while that code is nothing but the program only. Yes or no? So now the question came. Now the question came. What? So what is generally what is programming? What is program? What is program? Now the question will become like this. What is program? Anybody who can just tell me? So as you know, so programming language is like, so it will help to communicate with the system. Clear? So now the next question. The next question. What is the program? What is the program? So those who are just know, so they will just answer like this. Okay, they will answer like this. So the set of instruction is a program. Set of instruction is a program. Set of instruction is a program. So my question is, okay, those who are just able to answer this question. So my question is like this. So if I will just write like this, a is equal to 5, let a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 6. Okay, so let b is equal to b is equal to also a 6. Okay, 6. So now my question is what? My question is what? So if I will just give the instruction to the machine, it's like I did not worry about that syntax part, because according to that any programming language, so there is a one on syntax is there. Okay, so that in C programming, so there is another syntax for the Python, so there is another syntax for the Java, so there is another syntax. Okay, so just look at the logic part. Okay, so here for my aim is what to add these things. So how I will just give the instruction inside that program, means inside the instruction, how to give like this a plus b. Yes or no? A plus b, right? So it means what? This one is the user part. Okay, means it is a high level language. Okay, remember whatever word I'm just using. Okay, so please just write on a note copy. Please just write on a note copy. Also, I will just explain what is the high level, what is the low level, each and everything I will just explain. But still, you have to just write on a note copy. Clear? Clear? Okay. So listen carefully. It means what? I'm just giving one instruction to the machine to give me answer what? So 5 plus 6. So as you know, everybody they know how to operate the calculator. Means inside your phone, you know how to operate the calculator. Yes or no? Yes. So it means what? It means what? So inside the car means whenever just you are opening the calculator, so it means what? You are giving the instruction. So sir, please just give me the 5 plus 6 value. Yes or no? So this is a very small value. This is a very small value. But whenever just we are having a lot of data, so we are unable to handle all these things. Means it means in that time only, so we are taking the help from the computer or else any machines. So like right now we all are having the each is mini computer. That mini computer is known as the mobile phone, smartphone. Yes or no? Right. So this is the one of the instruction. So what is my aim? So what I want to explain, my aim is what? So here I'm just giving this instruction. So if I will just give the instruction like this, so will it be execute? Will it be execute A plus B? Yes or no? No. So your question should be no. Okay, so just tell me why it is no, why it will be not execute. So okay, so for example, let me just give C equal to 5 and D equal to again what, let D equal to let 4. Okay, my question is what? So if I will just write for example A plus B plus C plus D, will it be execute? Yes, yes, it will be execute. Okay, so what is the answer? So whatever data will be there, so it will be execute like this. Means how it will be execute. So a value is there, so a is equal to 5. So b is there, b is equal to 6, and c is there, c is equal to 5, and d is there, d is equal to 4. Yes or no? So then what it will be used? So then it will be used this operator. Each operator will be there. So it means what? It will be execute all these things, and then what it will be give? It will be give the 20 only. Yes or no? It will give the answer like this. Yes or no? It will give the answer like this. So it means what? So whenever just I'm giving the instruction like this in systematic way, okay. So it means what? It is giving the answer. Yes or no? But point is what? If I will just write these things, if the same things if I will just write like this, A plus B plus C plus D. So will it be execute? No. So we generally human beings are understanding these things, but generally in that time, so in that time, so it will be not executed. It will give what? It will give what? It will give the syntax error. Okay. So for each thing, so there is a one what? So there is a one. It's like a rule, certain rule. So we have to follow that rule only. Okay, so if we will not follow that rule, then it will give what? It will give the error things, right? So it means what? So this is the instruction, but it will be not executed. It means what? So generally we can say what? The program is nothing but the set of logical grouped instruction. We also can say. Okay, so this is not a wrong answer. This is a right answer, but generally my aim is what? I want to explain means like why means I'm not agree with this statement. Okay, the set of instruction in the program. So why I'm not agree? So that's why I'm just explaining these things. Okay, so it means what? So generally if you're using any operator, so generally I need means minimum two variable or a minimum two data. Yes or no? So generally this computer, okay, so generally it is used for the calculation purpose. Yes or no? So nowadays we are just using for multiple things. But in that time, so whenever this computer first came, so this is only used for the only calculator purpose. So if you will just give the instruction, so minimum two data will be required. Yes or no? Two data will be required. Means either you can just take A or B, or else you can take the group of the data. More than two data also you can take. Okay. So generally you can use like this A plus B negative C multiplied D. You can use multiple operator also. Yes or no? So this is the one type of instruction. So if you will just give this type of instruction to the what? To the computer, then it will be what? It will be executed. Yes or no? Yes. So it means what? It means what? So program is nothing but what? Set of logical group instruction. Group instruction. Now clear? Now clear? Okay, good. So now, so you already know why we're just generally learning the programming language, because to communicate with the system. And then why after learning successfully that one, okay, so then you were eligible to write some of the code. And that code is nothing but the program one. And now the program is nothing but is what? The set of logical group instruction is nothing but the program. Okay, so now we generally know so how to just write the program. Let's assume that you generally know how to write the program and you are expert to write that program on. Now what you will do? Then now you already know these things. Then how you will just practically apply this code and what is benefit for you? Okay, you need to know that things also. So the thing is what? The thing is what? So if you know to write the code, if you know to write the code, so it means what? So there is a software engineer. There is a software engineer who is a developer. There is some of the people they are the testing department. Okay, so many department are there. So whoever the developer, so he know the what to write the program only. So if you know the to write the program, see the point is what? So in your phone, so there is a calculator. Okay, so can you just tell me? So is that calculator is what? It is a software or it is a program? It is a software or it is a program? Yes. It is a what? Software. So some of you just answer me like, sir, this is an app. No, listen. So that app is also what software is. Yes or no? So that one is a software. Okay, that one is a software one. So that means what? So while creating the software, what we need to know? What we need to know to write the code? Yes or no? It means what? We need to know how to write the code, how to write the program. So that we have to implement that things. Yes or no? We have to implement that things. Before that, we have to know what? Program. Okay, how to write the program. So if you don't know how to write the program, if you don't know how to write the program, then what is your aim? What should be your aim? You need to learn the programming language. Any programming language you need to know. Okay, any programming language you need to know. So now understand this in this part video. So my aim is what I need to explain. Okay, why you generally learn this programming language. Okay, what is benefit to learn this programming language? Okay, so if you will learn these things, so generally it means what? How it will be help you. How it will be help you. So now you understand. Okay, so generally we are learning the programming language to communicate with the system, and if you learn the programming language, so generally we can eligible to write means like I want to give the instruction for the a plus b. So in that time what? So I will just write the code syntax. Okay, it's like C programming syntax inside that. So I will just create one logic. Okay, so then I will implement that things. If I will just execute, then it will give the answer. So if I want to create one software, then I will also what write the program, right? So this is the thing. So in this class, my aim is what? In this class, my aim is what? My aim is to understand what. So what is the this programming language? So hope you already get my point. So if you means if you are having any doubt, so please go through the description part. Okay, you will just get the WhatsApp means like a WhatsApp link. So please just join through it. Okay, so you can easily connect with me, or else you can just go for the Instagram or Facebook. Anywhere you can just go, and if you have any doubt, so please just contact me. So I will just available for you guys. Clear? Okay. So in next class, so we'll start what is means so what are the things which is available inside the C program. So we'll start explaining all these things. Clear? Clear? Very good. So now, so bye. We'll meet in the next video.